guys, it's Miss Vanetta. Happy Friday. I hope you've had a good week. All right, so we're going to finish up on our numbers today. Today we get to take a test, okay, to figure out how well you know all this new stuff and all these big numbers and all this. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to start off on page 279. Page 279. All right, so here's what it says. Allison has more than 15 cubes. Josh has fewer than 17 yellow cubes. Show the cubes, okay? Compare the sets of cubes. Okay, so Allison has more than 15 cubes. So let's draw 16 cubes. Allison has 16 cubes. Make sure you count. Okay, so Allison has more than 15 cubes. Okay, so we put 16. 5, 10, 15, 16. Okay, and that's Allison. Okay, I'm going to go write her name. Okay, Josh has fewer than 17 yellow cubes. So Josh has fewer than 17 cubes. So he has 16 as well. Okay, Josh. Okay, I'm just going to write Josh. 1. Go draw 16 again. Make sure you count. Okay, so Allison and Josh have 16 cubes. Allison and Josh both have 16 cubes. Okay, Miss Vanetta just drew them like that. You can draw it any way you want to. Okay, just make sure you're drawing squares. Okay. All right, go ahead and turn to the next page. Okay, turn to the next page. All right, we're on number 1. Okay, Kayleen has 18 apples. Okay, Kaylin has 18 apples. So Chase has 2 fewer apples than Kaylin. Use cubes to model the sets of apples. Compare the set. Okay, so let's go draw our apples first, okay? Kaylin has how many apples? 18. Okay, let's go draw 18 apples. Okay, do it up top, okay? All right, there's Kaylin's 18 apples, okay? All right, so go write 18 apples on the line. 18 apples, just like this. Okay, because that's how many Kaylin has. Okay, now Chase has 2 fewer. Well, what's 18 take away 2? Let's count backwards. Okay, we're going to count backwards. 18, 17, 16. There's 2 fewer. So Chase has 16 apples. Okay, so go draw 16 apples at the bottom. Okay, 16 apples. And then write the number 16. Okay, just like that. All right, now it wants us to compare the sets. We're going to compare the 2, okay? All right, so which set is larger? Okay, which one's bigger? 18 or 16? Which one's a bigger? Do you want 18 M&Ms or do you want 16? We want 18. Go circle. 18. Okay. All right. So So that one's bigger, okay? So 18 is bigger. All right, so let's scooch on over to the next page. Okay, let me go ahead and change. Change my paper. All right. Number 2, it says Skylar has 19 oranges. Taylor has 2 fewer oranges than Skylar. Use cubes to model the sets of oranges. Okay, so Skylar has 19. Let's go write that down. 19 on the first line. Let's go write 19. And then let's draw 19 oranges. Okay, 19 oranges. I would just do circles, okay, guys? Just do. All right, 19. So it should look like this, okay? There's the number 19, and then there's the 19 oranges. Okay, Taylor has 2 fewer, okay? So we're going to count backwards because it says fewer, okay? So we're going to go backwards 2. So 19, 18, 17. We have 17. That's how many Taylor has. Okay, so now it wants us to compare them, okay? Which set is smaller? Is it 19 or 17? Which one is smaller? 17. Go circle 17. That number is less. Okay, 17 is less. All right, go ahead and turn the page. We're moving on. Y'all are doing awesome. All right, number 3. Okay, here's what it says. How many balloons do we have there? So go count the balloons and tell me how many. Do we have 10 or 11? How many balloons do we have? Yeah, we have 11. So which one of those numbers is 11? Is it the first one or the second one? It's the second one, 11 balloons. Just like that. Awesome, guys. All right. How many blocks do we have? How many blocks do we have? Go count all those blocks on number 4. We have 16. 16. All right, great job. All right, last one, number 5. Which number is greater? Oh, okay. Which number is greater? Which number is bigger? Do you want 20 M&Ms or 17 M&Ms? Which one is bigger? You want 20. Yeah. 20. Very good. Good job. All right. Great job, guys. All right. So go ahead and go to the next page. Okay. Go ahead and switch to the next page. Okay. Now, here's where you're going to do your independent practice, okay? You need to do page 283 and 284, okay? And when you're done, send a picture to me, okay? 283 and 284, okay? Now, also when you get done, you have a test to take, okay? And it's a little bit long, okay? So you need to do pages 285 through 289, okay? Pages 285 through 289, okay? And read the directions at the bottom. It will tell you what to do, okay, guys? Remember, I want you to do this by yourself. Just get help on what to do, okay? Because we want to know how you're doing, okay? So remember, 285 through 289, okay? All right. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to switch over to science. Let me put this in my little protective sheet right here. All right. So, all right, we're talking about our seasons today. So, which season is your favorite and why? Why is that season your favorite? So, which one is your favorite? Well, we're going to do Miss Vanada's favorite, okay? And you can write down your favorite if you want to, okay? So, I'm going to say fall. Fall is my favorite Fall is my favorite. Okay. Now, why do you think fall is my favorite? Okay, I'm going to say because it starts to get cold. It starts to get cold. It starts to get cold and leaves fall. All right, so look, there it is right there. Fall is my favorite. It starts to get cold and the leaves fall. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to write down your favorite season and tell me why. Okay, it can just be 2 sentences, okay, or 1 sentence, okay. So, but you need to tell me what your favorite season is and why. Okay. All right, guys, that is it for today. Don't forget to send your test into Miss Vanetta or Miss De La Garza so we can see how you're doing, okay? All right, guys, y'all have a great spring break. Y'all stay safe and y'all have lots of fun. I will see everybody when y'all get back. Bye, guys.